Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having any of those three vehicles. I'm talking about Ford C-Max, Ford Fusion or Lincoln MKZ with a hybrid engine or Energi engine. If you have one of those, the same drivetrain, the same engine transmission has been used in all these three vehicles. If you want to know guys where the AC compressor is located, what it looks like, stay with us, we'll cover that today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy a new AC compressor, parts, tools, free on that ice cold guys, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can check it out. You can save quite a bit of money and that's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So that's the C-Max engine here, but it's the same engine used in Fusion and Lincoln MKZ. Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ. So we'll actually go ahead, okay, and remove now the upper engine cover. We have everything pre-loosened so I can get the camera and show you with a great detail where that AC compressor is located. So with the cover removed now we can clearly show you guys. If you come right here, that down there guys, it's your AC compressor. Next to your water pump right here you have the water pump outlet right there. Down here guys is your AC compressor, and if you come more in that angle you're going to see where the AC line connects as well. This is the high pressure AC line. How we know that? Because that's where the AC pressure switch is located, on that line as well, right there, and that's the AC compressor, okay, on the bottom, okay, right there. Now that compressor guys attaches to your car with practically one nut that you need to remove here, okay, and when you remove it, okay, you have the bolt there. In some cases you need to remove, okay, that's what the compressor will look like upside down. Okay, let me focus here quick. That's the one here, and then on the bottom guys, okay, you have, okay, two more bolts, okay, right here. If you look, you have two more bolts. Before disconnecting AC hoses or anything like that, you always need to vacuum the AC system, never release it in the atmosphere. It's highly illegal when you damage the ozone, practically. Climate change guys, we need to do our thing as much as we can, but always use a vacuum pump to suck the freon out of the system, or take it to a shop, AC shop, and for a small fee they can recover, okay, vacuum your AC freon, the R134A, that way you can work on it. Now later I recharge it with the AC Pro. This is amazing. Nothing sponsored here, I buy it myself actually. It's the ultra synthetic and it's super cold. We have a video that we recharge the AC system on that Ford C-Max and it blows extremely cold air. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find where the AC compressor is located on that hybrid engine. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.